In a world where conservation and safety intersect, zoos face a unique challenge, feeding endangered and dangerous animals while minimizing risks to handlers. Our team identified this problem as a critical one, prompting us to innovate for a solution that aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals of life on land and industry innovation and infrastructure. Entering our product idea, a groundbreaking solution poised to revolutionize animal feeding practices at the zoo. The ZooFeed drone. This innovative concept centers around a specialized drone equipped with a secure feeding box. The drone's design includes a unique feature, a front-loading compartment that allows for easy placement of food items through a funnel. Once loaded, the drone can precisely deliver the food to designated areas within animal enclosures. The prototype's core purpose is clear: to demonstrate its effectiveness in addressing the identified problem when fully scaled. By streamlining the feeding process, the ZooFeed drone aims to enhance efficiency and safety within zoo environments while feeding smaller animals or larger animals. But what impact can such innovation have? Beyond mitigating risks associated with feeding dangerous animals, the ZooFeed drone has the potential to revolutionize feeding practices across the board. With increased efficiency and reduced risk, zoos can allocate more resources towards conservation initiatives, ultimately contributing to the preservation of biodiversity and ecosystems. As a team, we stand behind our solution with unwavering confidence. We believe in our ability to bring the ZooFeed drone to life, leveraging our skills and expertise to create a game-changing innovation for the welfare of animals and the advancement of zoo management practices. Together, let's pave the way for a safer, more efficient future in zoo operations. The ZooFeed drone innovation soaring to new heights for life on land and industry innovation and infrastructure. My name is Julian Lungu, and I will be overseeing and managing the progress of the project, as well as program the functions of the product and design a user-friendly GUI. Alongside me, Demario Brown will be assisting me in the creation of the user-friendly GUI. Alongside that, he will be creating the physical product and test it out once it's finished. Working with us would be Ahmed Abdullah, helping in the gathering of materials for the product and physically building the product and testing it. Our product designer Hajat Singh will be overseeing and assisting in the creation of the product alongside testing the finalized product. Lastly, we have our tester Dip Singh that will help gather materials for the product and test the end product.